Hi, I'm Fred Burton with Stratfor, and this week's Above the Terror Line, we're going to examine the disruption model as a counterterrorism strategy as it was used this weekend on the Pope's visit to London. Five Algerian maintenance workers were picked up by the British authorities connected to an alleged plot to attack the Pope. In all probability, as I examine this kind of case, you had a very intensive intelligence collection effort and review pertaining to the Pope's pending visit, and in all probability, these individuals were identified based on record checks being run on anybody connected in close proximity to a head of state visit. The high-value nature of the target is going to dictate your operational tempo in this kind of case. If you put this in a time sequence, the Pope's visit to the UK was between the 16th and the 19th of September, and these individuals were picked up on the 17th. In essence, you have a threat unfolding while your high-value target is in town. There is no other choice to be made but take the individuals in custody until you're able to sort out the plot, recognizing fully you're going to lose any potential long-term intelligence of letting this operation run, as well as possible prosecution. But the one thing that is known by doing that is that the five individuals that you have in custody are not capable of carrying out a threat while you have them. One of the most difficult things to deal with in a counterterrorism operation is the complexity of the politics that surround this kind of case involving a threat against a visiting head of state, because there's so many different stakeholders that want to be in the loop, and there's going to be a tremendous amount of pressure placed upon the counterterrorism agency to ensure that multiple agencies are briefed, as well as foreign governments. So the pressure to shut the operation down, meaning to take all the suspects into custody and to do it quickly, is going to be the course of action that must be taken, even if it results in the loss of long-term intelligence collection by allowing the bad guys to go about their plot while you closely monitor what's occurring.